we are in a bathroom, and as you can see, there's one major flaw in this bathroom, and that's this window. In fact, the neighbor's deck looks down on this toilet, so I'm going to show you how to go about changing that. I have this frosted glass spray paint, so I'm going to put that on the window. Now the first thing I'm going to do is make sure this window is nice and clean. You want it perfectly clean and then dry so that the paint sticks to it properly. You can see I've already taped around the edges so I don't get any spray paint on the window frame. One coat of this stuff and it's looking pretty good, but I can still see through, so I'm going to give it a couple more coats just to make it slightly opaque. So there we go, that's 3 coats. I'll just take the tape off, close the window and have a look. That's perfect. I can't see outside at all, but it lets the light through. Exactly what we wanted. Here's the window in the daytime, and you can see it just looks like a mirror on the outside. We'll come by later tonight and see how it looks like with the lights on inside the bathroom. And even at night, everything inside the room is completely obscured by the frosting. Well, that window's done. Thanks for watching, folks, and don't forget to check out my other videos. I'll see you next time.